In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ConvertKit email list with Payhip. By the end of this walkthrough, your Payhip store will automatically add new customers to your ConvertKit email list, so you can follow up with campaigns, automations, or product updates without any manual work. All you need is access to both your ConvertKit account and your Payhip dashboard. We'll start in ConvertKit to grab a small but important piece of information, your API key. Go ahead and log into your ConvertKit account. In the top right corner, click your profile icon and choose Settings from the dropdown. On the left-hand side of the settings page, scroll until you see the developer section and open it. Here, you'll find your API key. This key lets Payhip talk securely to your ConvertKit account. Copy it now and treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly or store it in places others can see. If you notice both an API key and an API secret, follow what Payhip asks for. In this case, you only need the API key. When you copy it, make sure you don't include any extra spaces. Next, switch over to your Payhip dashboard and log in. At the top navigation, click on Marketing. Inside the marketing area, you'll see several tabs. Select Mailing Lists. This is where Payhip connects to third-party email providers so your buyers can flow straight into your list. In Mailing Lists, click the plus Setup Mailing Lists button. A pop-up window will appear. Under Select Email Service Provider, open the drop-down and choose ConvertKit. You'll now see a field where you can paste the API key you copied from ConvertKit. Paste it into the field carefully, again, no leading or trailing spaces, and then click the Save Details button. If the Save button is grayed out, double-check that the field is filled in correctly. If you run into an error, it usually means the key was entered incorrectly or is no longer valid. In that case, return to ConvertKit's developer section to confirm the key or regenerate it and try again. After saving, Payhip should confirm the connection and you'll see ConvertKit listed as your mailing provider. From this point on, when customers purchase through Payhip, they can be added to your ConvertKit email list automatically, ready for welcome sequences or tagged segments you set up within ConvertKit. That's it. You copied your API key from ConvertKit, navigated to Marketing and Payhip, opened Mailing Lists, chose ConvertKit, pasted the key, and saved. Your integration is live, and your email list building can run on autopilot. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.